So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Mi 11 Lite. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Mi 11 Lite are Snapdragon 732G, 6.7 inches Full HD Plus display, 64 megapixel rear camera, 32 megapixel front camera, 4500 mAh battery, 120Hz fast refresh rate, 65W fast charging, MIUI 12 based on Android 11. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Mi 11 Lite. There are 3 color variants of Mi 11 Lite: blue color, white color and green color. There are 2 storage variants of Mi 11 Lite: 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. This is the front side of Mi 11 Lite. This is the back side of Mi 11 Lite. The expected launch date of Mi 11 Lite will be in the end of the January. In my opinion, the expected price of Mi 11 Lite should be below 23,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.